Okay, so for anybody that remembers the jukebox project, or even is asked about upcoming updates or anything going on with it, I am going to be working on it here really soon. I just had to unbury it on my workshop. It kind of turned into a junk magnet. Plus, clean it off because several months of dirt building up on it. So, I am going to be pretty much tearing everything here out. I gotta make some changes here to the switch bank. The locking bar that holds the buttons down just does not reliably work. Gonna be disabling that. And then the system will be running on a series of Arduino Megas. 3 of them handling what's going on here because of the amount of pins and outs that are required. And then there'll be a couple more handling other things. And it'll be kind of a cascading effect that one does its thing, tells the next one, while this one waits for its input. This one does its thing, might tell another one to do something, and that'll finish telling this one, then telling this one. Still working out a few details there. Already ordered a bunch of parts. So, yeah. It won't be this analog digital setup because I have these little digital MP3 boards, and the analog and digital weren't getting along too well. My switch bank unit here, the mechanical side of it, the locking bar that would hold the buttons down, most of the time doesn't work, so the buttons wouldn't stay down, which then the system wouldn't work properly. So I'll be tearing out a few things here. I gotta add a whole nother set of wiring because there's one set of wiring to understand the switch was pressed, but I gotta add a whole nother set of wiring so the Arduino knows to turn the light off. See, now here it actually locked like it's supposed to. So that's what they're supposed to do, but it's not reliable. So on the new setup, they won't be staying locked down anymore, but the light will turn off to let you know you selected. See, I'll be keeping the amplifier, a couple of these components here, this whole bank. Yeah, pretty much all that there gets torn out, keeping the power supply set up. And then for anybody new to this project, these are the CAD drawings of what it's supposed to look like when it's all finished up. So I was going for kind of a 50s style jukebox. So, and it is supposed to have a working carousel and all that, so that still has to get all integrated. But right now my focus is to get the MP3 boards and the switch bank all operating, because I got an event coming up here I want to take it to. If I can get the carousel working in time, fine, but that'll probably have to wait. I'll probably just dummy it up. So, yep. And then for traveling and storing, the top half of the jukebox actually comes off and stores down in the bottom. So instead of this thing being basically 5 feet tall, then it goes down to like 4 feet tall. There'll be more to come.